Hey, what's up everyone? This is Silver Slayer. Thank you for tuning into this video. Before we start, I want to mention my giveaway that is happening tomorrow. I will be announcing the winner for tomorrow's giveaway. I don't know which time yet, but it will be a premiered video so you can watch it in live time together as I announce the winner. And then Sunday is going to be the next giveaway number 2, and then probably around Wednesday of next week I'll be announcing how to enter for giveaway number 3. That's right, you have 3 chances, 3 different opportunities to win some silver. So make sure you go enter those giveaways. Right now, we see green almost across the board. Gold at $1,644.83, up $23.51. Silver, $18.60, up 16 cents on the day. Platinum, $980, up 4 cents on the day. And palladium, $2,735, down $18.93. So are we going to see prices continue to rally, or is there going to be a pullback coming as people will be profiting off of some higher prices, selling in return, which would shoot the price down, which is only going to create a buying opportunity? That's more than likely going to happen since prices have been up for so high for so long. But do not be worried, because when prices do drop down, or if they do, it just means we can buy our silver for cheaper, and then if it stays relatively up, then that builds a platform, a foundation for it to start rallying off in the near future. So you can see right here, silver is up 1.5, or gold's up 1.5%, up $24, and we see silver much more volatile, a lot of volatility, up 0.99%, or up 0.18 or 18 cents. So right now, I definitely think that silver and gold have potential. If we're talking about $2,000 gold, then we have to talk about at least $50 silver. Now, silver is more volatile, so I think we would be talking more about $100 silver instead of $50 silver. But that's going to take time. If gold hits $2,000 sooner than later, then yes, $50 silver would be the one to put in question. But I'm talking about silver's true potential, its real value, which is much higher than I think people expect. If you're talking about the gold to silver ratio, which is still 89 to 1, meaning that it takes 89 ounces of silver to equal 1 ounce of gold, which is extremely exaggerated. It's extremely dragged out. There has to be a correction soon. So for this correction to form, silver has to outperform gold, right? And that's what's going to be happening. We're going to see silver starting to outperform the yellow metal. But when? When is that going to happen? Are the bubbles, is the manipulation, the price manipulation going on with JP Morgan, the Dutch bank, is that holding prices back? Or is it silver's supply and demand? We know on a supply and demand standpoint, from a basis of that, silver should be at least $100 right now. See, for the gold to silver ratio to be 16 to 1, if the gold's at around $1,500, that puts silver at $90. See, a 16 to 1 ratio is actually natural. That's naturally, historically, what the ratio is. So for gold to be $2,000, silver has to be at least $100. What do you guys think about this? Do you think this is out of the realm of impossibility? Do you think this is possible? And if so, what's it going to take for this to happen? See, I bring this up because a lot of people are skeptical on silver. A lot of people don't know whether, or aren't ready to accept that silver has this much potential. And when we're looking at silver, we definitely see a lot of volatility, but it hits higher highs and lower lows. So if we're talking about these higher highs, how high is that? If gold's already approaching $1,700, $1,800, $1,900, $2,000, then where's silver going to be? It has to be at least in that $30 to $40 range for the ratio to stay somewhat relevant or somewhat balanced. See, if the ratio stays unbalanced, then silver could be in the mid-20s. But for a balanced ratio, for it to correct, we need to see silver go a lot higher. Now, this is a very, 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 very short article from Kitco talking about how gold is exploding and silver is charging higher. If you want to check this out, the link to this article will be in the description. So with that said, let's jump into it. The metals continue to charge higher, with gold in a blow-off pattern with parabolic moves on heavy value. Although we have been bullish for an extended period, the pattern itself suggests a pullback is near. There is no reason to sell here. However, we wouldn't be chasing gold higher with new money. This means that even though gold prices are right now sitting fairly well, it still is not a time to sell. You still have more potential. And it wouldn't be chasing, gold wouldn't be going higher with new money. This is from people trading. Silver, on which we had been bearish until the other day, has been riding along with gold. See, gold is silver's big brother. So if gold is going to be pushing up higher, expect silver to do so within a couple days, a couple weeks afterwards. Our expectations are for a pullback in silver, which will create a buying opportunity. And this is what I was talking about. There's going to be a pullback or a correction soon. This is natural in the markets. They go up and they go down. They go up and they go down. They go up higher, then they go down a little bit. They go up higher, they go down a little bit. They go up a little bit, they go down lower. See, you need to understand on a day-to-day basis, the prices are going to they're going to fumble. They're going to go up and they're going to go down, right? It's like a roller coaster. But as long as it's gradually going upwards, that's where we can create some progress, and that's where the profits are made. But you have to be patient enough to allow yourself to take some time to gain those profits, right? Patience pays off. So, one negative in the silver pattern is it failed to reach the January 8th panic high. Although we have turned bullish, we are waiting for a support level to buy. So they're still waiting. They said it didn't reach the January 8th panic high, so who knows where prices could go. It's all up to, to the economy, supply and demand, but also up in the air from the unknown variables. A lot of people don't really incorporate the unknown variables. There's a lot of stuff that's going to be happening to affect silver's price that we simply just don't know because we don't have a crystal ball. We cannot see the future. And that's extremely important to remember, because we try to just say, okay, well, right now this is well, right now is only right now. Tomorrow something could happen that could drastically change the prices that we don't know. So you can't always base everything off of what is right now. Although we have turned bullish, we are waiting for a support level to buy. So are we going to stay above these support levels? The bottom line in both gold and silver is that they need to see some profit taking if this is going to be a long-term bull market. See, you almost need a correction. You almost need a correction to happen right now so it can build stability on the support lines. If it just keeps going up, then there's going to be a huge crash. You can't expect something to go up, without it going down, 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 down. You need it to go up and down, up and down. As long as it's gradually moving upwards, that's where real solid prices can stay. All the pieces are in place for the rally to continue, but the healthiest action from here would be a pullback to support. We are bullish on gold and silver. We literally need a pullback for silver to go higher. It's as contradicting as that sounds. It's true. You do not want to see silver just sitting higher, higher, higher. Just like Bitcoin. When Bitcoin exploded up, it was a huge indicator that there was going to be a huge crash, because it went up so fast. Just like $50 silver in 2011, just like $50 silver in the 80s. If it keeps going up, that's a huge false flag or a red flag indicator it's going to crash. So we want to see prices go up a little bit and then down a little bit. So anyways, you can see the chart right here showing this. This article from Kitco will be in the description. But just to recap a little bit, the gold to silver ratio does show a lot of insight on where gold and silver could be headed and whether or not gold is the better buy at the time or silver is the better buy. Now, I definitely think that silver has more potential given the circumstances and given, what we know about silver and its intrinsic and fundamental uses in the everyday economy, in the everyday society we live in, especially in the industrial and technological era we're advancing in. So right now, silver is sitting pretty. A rally could continue to form, but that might not be the best option. We might need a pullback if we're looking at this mid-$20, $30 silver. Right now, if it keeps going up to $19, it's probably going to crash extremely hard. So we do needs somewhat of a correction, somewhat of a profit taking opportunity, and this just means we can in return buy our silver for cheaper when this happens. So anyways, I'm curious what you guys think about this article. Do you think that that needs to happen, or do you think you want silver to go higher? Are you going to sell? Are you going to buy? Are you going to trade? Are you going to hold? What is your strategy right now? What is the best strategy? What is the safest strategy? What works for me might not work for you. Maybe your strategy is more long term, maybe your strategy is more short term. And this is going to depend and reflect upon, what you are ready to do, what you're going to be taking advantage of. It really does boil down to you. It's a very individual investment. It really does come down to what you are ready to do. So anyways, I appreciate you guys and gals for tuning into this video. Make sure to smash that like button. Make sure you subscribe if you're new, because I do post daily videos. Also, make sure to enter my giveaway. Make sure to enter my giveaway. 3 different giveaways, 3 different opportunities to win some silver. That's my gratitude for all the support and all the comments and everyone supporting me through this journey, especially when my channel getting hacked. It was extremely stressful, but with you guys, it made it a lot easier. I also do really appreciate all the comments on my videos. I'm trying to read them more often now. I'm trying to respond to more people as well. So thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure to smash that like button. The link to this article will be in the description. This is Silver Slayer. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.